Indian agriculture, a $400 billion sector, contributes to 17% of India's GDP, but faces the challenge of unorganized and scattered data. Compiling timely, accurate and high-resolution data is particularly challenging because of small land holdings, where yield varies highly from farm to farm. High dependence upon monsoons and broken supply chains also lead to loss of yield and farm output, for which a farmer is unable to secure the best possible price. Digitizing, interlinking and consolidating big databases enables technology adoption to increase farmers' income. RMSI Cropalytics is your trusted destination for detailed analytics and information on Indian agriculture. From weather and crop outlook reports, farmer advisory and decision support system for optimum farm management, crop insurance risk management, crop acreage, health and yield mapping, village prioritization for rural marketers, and farmer credit rating for lending agencies.
PInCER builds upon RMSI Cropalytics' core ability to assess farm-level crop risk, providing a suite of products to various stakeholders in agriculture sector. For insurers, we have solutions for reinsurance planning, policy verification, and crop loss estimation. Our farmer credit rating solution helps lenders in better management of their lending portfolios. And to enable agri input company outreach, PInCER provides a two-way communication platform with thousands of farmers on board.
In a short time span, we are proud to have mapped all village boundaries in India. We have mapped 180 million farming hectares, linking them to farm ownership data, and developed models for more than 20 crops. In 2019, we started estimating crop yields for the Government of India. We won the NASSCOM award in 2020, geocoded millions of farms and estimated crop risk across the country. In 21, we received the FICCI award and the Telangana State Award for the Best Farmer Credit Rating Solution. RMSI Cropalytics is committed to its goal of zero farmer deaths from agrarian distress by making agrarian distress visible to decision makers in near real time. RMSI Cropalytics, know more to grow more.